channel, right? So I know how to 140. So right away I know the pump was fine because I read the pressure. Now Sarah got it off. It was 140. So by checking the pressure, I know that the pump is fine. The coupling inside is fine, because if the coupling inside the burner was bad, right, there's a coupling inside there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can get it close. It's a rubber coupling between the pump and the coupling in the motor. When that coupling start going bad, you check the pressure over here. That needle there start bouncing there. It doesn't stay steady. It's supposed to stay steady in 100, 140, whatever you gotta set up. Okay, so in this case, I notice it stay up nice and straight, so I know there was not a problem with the fuel system. That's how you check all the fuel system. There was not a problem with the fuel system over here. And I checked the record, and then somebody tuned it up not too long ago. Somebody was here not too long ago, did a maintenance tune-up. So by putting the gauge on, it would take the fuel system out of the question, meaning that you would check the pump, it's in good condition, and the coupling. That would cause a problem. Okay, so what came over here, the next step that I went, I noticed it that I have no problem with my fuel system. So I flip igniter and turn the switch on, and the way I check, I get a screwdriver. Please don't do this at home. I get a screwdriver and I go and touch a little bit like that, and nothing happened. I would not get a spark. Usually you get a big spark. You got a real dent. Make sure this is insulated screwdriver, because you get a real big snap if you don't do this thing right. So please don't do this at home. And so I found out in this case the igniter, it was bad. This igniter, somebody wrote down on here 2002, so it's about 12 years old. So I got a new one. I'm gonna replace it, put a new one in. Everything should be fine. And this would be the end of this comb. I got it over here. Got a brand new one over here. It's a bucket. You could use this for the with the A burner, AF or AFG. So this is this burner over here. See, you look over here. Tell you could use this thing with an A burner, AF, AFG. Okay. The most common use is AF and AFG. You see in the bottom there. Now what we got over here is an AF. How I know that? Because the fan is from one side to the other one. It's a big fan. Okay, and if it was an AFG, the fan will be only like halfway, real small fan. That will be AFG. Okay, another thing. Most common burner is common gray color, I believe so. This one's a blue one. Okay, blue one and the red one, meaning that you could use this type of burner over here in a commercial application, meaning you could fire up. I gotta look the database, but I'm pretty sure you could go real high with probably a gallon 50, something like that. So you could use this burner in or you will see this type of burner in a commercial application. Okay, and this case they got this using in the residential application.